Everything in the universe explained simply. Episode 1. The Stars. A star is an immense sphere of very hot gas, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. It produces its own light through nuclear fusion that takes place in its core. It converts hydrogen into helium and releases a huge amount of energy as light and heat. When low or medium mass stars reach the end of their lives, they become white dwarfs. A white dwarf is the remnant core of a star. When the star has exhausted its fuel, it ejects its outer layers into space. What remains is an extremely dense and very hot core, which no longer produces energy but takes billions of years to cool down. More massive stars, on the other hand, follow a very different evolution. A supergiant is one of the largest and most luminous stars in the universe. They consume their fuel much faster than stars like the Sun. Supergiants are a late stage in a star's life before its final collapse. At the end of their lives, supergiants often explode as supernova, leaving behind a neutron star. A neutron star is the collapsed core of a massive star after its supernova explosion. Despite a diameter of only about 20 kilometers, it can contain more mass than the Sun. Its density is such that a single spoonful of its matter would weigh several billion tons on Earth. But not all stars share the same fate. Some evolve in a completely different way: carbon stars. A carbon star is an evolved star whose atmosphere contains more carbon than oxygen. This composition gives it a very pronounced red color and allows it to produce large quantities of carbon dust, which will then be dispersed into space. Let us now return to neutron stars, because some of them possess an exceptional property. A pulsar is a neutron star that spins extremely rapidly. Its powerful magnetic field emits beams of radiation from its poles. When one of these beams passes in front of Earth, it is detected as a very regular pulse, comparable to the beam of a lighthouse. There are also some of the most massive and rarest stars in the universe: Wolf-Rayet stars. A Wolf-Rayet star is an extremely massive, very hot, and very luminous star. It continuously loses an enormous amount of matter due to stellar winds that can reach speeds of several million kilometers per hour. These stars are among the rarest in the universe and often explode as supernova after only a few million years. And that was just the beginning. The universe continues. Subscribe for part 2.